KICKASSETS. Cha-ching!
Welcome everybody. Welcome to Kick Assets. I went to BCIT for 4 years, learned programming, how to work with networks, databases, animation, you name it. All different languages. And I even dealt with printers here and there. And I'm going to teach you in this video how to fix any printer. Whether it's a Just Steel, a Brother, Canon, an Epson, whatever, you name it, I'll fix it. So the first thing is you got to take a really dirty rag like this and give it a wipe down like this. Make sure it's all beautiful. This, yeah. Don't miss any spots. Oh shit! Oh, that fell off. Oops, I'll get that back. Sorry about that fell. Okay, make sure you get all that stuff in there. Yeah, that's that. Oh, I had this printer when I first opened my English school up, about in 2008, for $1,000, and it served me well. It's never jammed, never done any of that. Never ran out of ink when it was supposed not to. You know how I bullshitted it and put the paper in front of the whatever the lighting is, so it printed another 2,000 or 2,000 copies. Because that never ever happens. They don't want to rip you off at all. These printer companies are top notch with customer service. So we're gonna fix this one here. I've tried screws, I've tried different things, but we're gonna do it the right way. Each other. That's how you fix a printer. Did I miss a spot? Did I miss the front? How do you like them apples? So if you need to hire me for your printer fixing services, let me know. Kick Assets. Sorry, Printer Assets. Cha-ching! Thank you everybody for watching.
Ready?
Yep. Well, just in case you need a teammate, I got one with me. See? 2 heads are always better than 1. Or 3. Hedge hammers. Oh, I think we broke the glass. I don't think we're going to be able to fix that one. Whoa.
Steve's here.
Steve's here? Steve! Wow, I was just filming fixing my printer video. Come on down.
Hello. How you doing, buddy?
Wow, look at that. Let's get the details here. What are the odds of that?
Oh my goodness, yes. Yes, that's great. Oh.
Wow. Sorry. Just in case you want to get all the angles of the jaw. Look at the way the thing is stuck in there.
He's got stuff in the way now. He's got lots of luggage.
Does he?
Too. Yeah.
Steve, you want to take a break for a second?
He's sweating because he's got 2 huge luggage.
We got to get him in here. The timing is so amazing. Doesn't that feel good to do that? Out of all the years of using printers and how frustrating they are, they should film a movie and have that a scene in it with that. That'd be really cool. Because I know there's a lot of people that's frustrated with working in offices with space. Oh, we have a guest. You're good timing I was just filming a video.
Oh, were you?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
Take a break.
Oh.
How you doing, man?
Good.
Well, welcome.
Good to see you.
Yeah, I didn't know you were coming.
Oh, well, just
Surprise.
figured I'd drop in on you. Oh, it's looking good.
You like that? Want to give it a swing?
I'm tired.
Jeez, this is like the only chance you're going to get to hit a printer like this.
Why would I want to smash a printer?
You've never had issues with printers before?
I've had issues, but I've never smashed one. I never wanted to smash it.
Oh, it felt so good, man. I tell you, it felt really good.
I got stuck in it.
It got stuck. That's how good it was.
Oh, my goodness, yeah. No.
Welcome to the man cave again, Steve. We appreciate you coming.
Arr.
Yes.
Oh.
You just traveled all the way from Vancouver.
I see you still have some fish living in there.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch more. They had babies.
Excellent.
Well, welcome. Anyhow, folks, that's how you fix printer. Call me anytime. That's fine. goes the printer. And that's how you fix a printer. Get rid of the piece of shit. You'd have to close it. Whatever. Yeah. Look at that crane. Holy crap. We didn't see that last time, did we? This thing's massive. Let's see.
They use almost.
Oh, it's like that when you went with Chris?
No, it's horrible.
Hi. でかいね、それ。すごい。You were such a good printer. I really liked you. I bought you when I first opened my school. Yes, I did. Huh. Well, I'm gonna miss you, buddy. I'm really gonna miss you. Not. You know, I've tried screws. I've tried different things. But we're gonna do it the right way. Teach you. That's how you fix a printer. Did I miss a spot? Did I miss the front? I like them apples. You know, I've tried screws, I've tried different things, but we're gonna do it the right way. That's how you fix a printer. Did I miss a spot? Did I miss the front? I like them apples. Bring, bring, bring.
Need a bicycle pump?
Hello, Kick Assets here. How can I help you? Oh, okay, I'll fax that over right away. Just a second, please. Oh, this is not working. Maybe one of those will work over there. Oh my goodness gracious. There's a fucking nest up there. Let me just stand up to get a better view with my thing here. What the heck? Oh, is that a cat? Meow meow. Oh my god, there's a cat. What are you doing there? Hello? That was a nest. I think it's a cat. Meow meow. Hey buddy. You chilling up there? Yeah? What are you doing up there? Huh? かわいいね。